Hey bro, why I low key look like I ain't got no hair? Like, I don't know. I don't know why I look like I ain't got no hair. But what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I wanna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, you know, today I guess we're gonna be talking about the dreadlock maintenance or lock maintenance, whatever you wanna call it. If y'all new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Y'all new to the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Let me turn on some lights in here, bro. I know it's kind of dark. It is like it's 2 a.m. I don't know, bro. I just like doing my videos like super late. I like go ahead and shoot and everything, but that's not here or there. Just basically here to give y'all a little, not a little, but a dreadlock update. Set this right here. Hold up, we can just go around right here. Set this right here. Little lock update, you feel me? I did what I'm saying. So, let's do this. Hold on, y'all. Hang on. Alright y'all, so look, right? I'm gonna have y'all back here. Alright. Crap. Alright y'all, so look, right? Dreadlock update. I don't know what number this is, but I'm constantly doing updates on my locks. I'm constantly doing dreadlocks updates. So not constantly, but I'm gonna just say throughout the years I've been doing like dreadlock updates. And as y'all can see, man, the Up Next multi-purpose beanie on my head right now. I'm just rocking it just to like maintain this. If you ain't got nothing on your hair when you rocking dreads, bro, when you rocking locks, bro, it's gonna feel different. Especially if you like me, like you like to lay down any type of wear, like you just like to put your head anywhere. Like for instance, like you just lay on the bed, you might lay on the sheets. You might not just necessarily lay on the pillow. You get what I'm saying? This lighting is crazy. I gotta turn it right here, yo. This is why I just like rocking my junk, like rocking my Up Next multi-purpose beanie, like around the crib, around wherever, and it maintains my hair. You feel me? It keeps my hair out my face most of the time. And number two, another way I maintain my hair is when I'm showering. I actually put my whole hair, I put my locks, I just stuff them in here, right? And I do like a whole nother style for that. I actually can show y'all right now the style that I do for like the shower, but I'm gonna make a separate video for y'all on this, like as far as like the shower and things of that nature, right? So let me get a quick thumbnail real quick. So say for instance, right, I just wake up, right? So hairs everywhere, whatever, boom. So I bring my hair to the front. I have like a hairband or whatever. I take the Up Next multi-purpose beanie, put it in the hair, and so look, this is what I did, right? I'm flipping it back. You feel me? So the hair pretty much get in there, and so this is another way I like to rock it. Y'all might see me like rock this style like a lot when I'm on TikTok or whatnot, but I rock this style when I'm in the shower. You feel me? So no hair is in the front, no hair is coming down in the back. It's not, my hair is not getting wet in the shower. And I like, the reason I love this cap is because it's not so big to where the point is covering up my whole head or my whole forehead or anything like that. It covers up the end of my hair. My root stays out during my shower. And so that allows my roots to absorb moisture and things of that nature. And it allows my hair to also breathe during the shower. You don't want to actually cover your hair during the shower. Like you want to allow some of that moisture to get up in there, but you don't want, you want to allow like the mist and things of that nature, but you don't want like your hair just constantly in water. Like me personally, I don't want my hair, I don't want my locks constantly in water. You get what I'm saying? So I wear this during my showers. So that's number 2. Number 3, when I'm out, right? So I mean, y'all just seen, I really just did that style like today, like like a couple days ago. I came up with that style where I just like have a hairband in the back, and I just put it the up next thing right there. But I'm about to try a different style. Well, not a different style, but the normal style that I like to rock my dreadlocks in around the house, just chilling, whatever, right? And so I don't know what I'm gonna call this, dreadlock hairstyles or whatever, but these are just some very convenient dreadlock hairstyles that I have my dreadlocks in. Like most of the day, it keeps it out my face. And that's the main thing, bro. When you get longer hair and the hair just constantly in your face, man, sometimes your hair might not be the cleanest. You get what I'm saying? So you don't want that in your face until you get the detox or until you wash your hair, until you whatever, but you don't want things in your face, period. You get what I'm saying? Like, you just don't want your locks. Well, me personally, I don't want my locks in my face like just all the time, period, because it's just like, I don't want nothing in my face all the time, period. You know what I'm saying? But so yeah, this multi-purpose up next multi-purpose beanie, it's very convenient for lounging around the house, sportswear, especially for sports, for the athletes. Shout out to the athletes. I know a lot of athletes out there who got long hair and or athletes who have waves. You get what I'm saying? Like, this is the product just for convenience. This is that convenience product that the Up Next lifestyle really needed. That's gonna, it's like kind of like wearing underwear. Like every day you wake up, you know you're gonna wear the underwear. You know what I'm saying? Every day you wake up, you know what I'm saying, you could throw on you an Up Next multi-purpose beanie just to lounge around the crib, just to read a book, just to you might be like, for instance, right, I put on my headphones without the beanie, right? I put on my headphones and the headphones will literally like pull my hair. I'll put on the beanie, put on the headphones, we good. You get what I'm saying? So it's just little things like that. And shout out to everybody who's shopping. Orders going out Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday for the Up Next Up Next multi-purpose beanie, and then Monday for the satin line beanies. Okay, so shout out to everybody out there. Shout out to all the people out there. And I know a lot of people out there, yo, when you gonna ship my order? This is why I come with content, so I can stay connected with you guys. And so a lot of you guys, well, I know it's like a big joke and things of that nature for people to call people scams and shit like that, but I'm gonna just keep pushing out content. You feel me? Like, my content gonna supersede all the bullshit. You feel me? And that's what we sticking with all 2023. We just gonna become content machines. And yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for that. You know what I'm saying? Fuck all the haters. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the supporters. upnextlifestyle.com. Make sure I hit that first link in the description. Shout out to y'all for watching the video. Catch y'all for us later, bro. Peace. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. I want to come back with another video. Amen. Say, man, look. Hey, today I got a very special video for y'all today. Okay, so today I'm gonna be basically telling y'all why I don't get retwists. Why don't I get a retwist every month, every week. I'm gonna be telling y'all. No, I don't need a retwist. Let's go. Let's go with. So today I'm gonna be giving y'all the backstory on my dreadlocks. A lot of people ask me the process. A lot of people ask me the haircuts. A lot of people ask me how did I start my dreadlocks. A lot of people ask me how long I've been growing my dreadlocks. How many dreadlocks do you have? So we're gonna be answering basically the journey-based type questions all this video. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and comment any other questions y'all got below. So my first question is, how did I start out my dreadlocks? All right, so cool.